Like you work for the public. You have
to fill out an application.
I want to get a complaint form. Now my focus has changed. Now, officer, I would like for them to hand me a complaint form. What's your name?
I'm Officer McNulty, Sergeant McNulty.
Sergeant McNulty. I'm good. I'm not going to give my name, sir.
Okay.
I just want.
You realize I know you're at
you
other precincts, other places.
Yeah.
If you're making a documentary, whatever it is, you have access to public information, all right? But that's about it, okay? If you have to go out and do films, we just ask you to be as professional as you can.
Of course, sir, and I always am.
All right.
Okay.
So that's all.
Can you notify him that I have a legal right to be here, work on my story, so he can, because he's the one escalating the situation. So I want you to de-escalate it if you can.
This gentleman's currently making a documentary. He has access to public information. He's been over at different precincts. In this area, he's able to, if you don't want to interview him, you don't have to interview him, but at this point, he can just stay in this public area right here. But eventually, you're going to have to leave.
Of course,
move on,
eventually, right? Yeah.
But, I mean, you can put in your story that you attempted to interview, they didn't want to have an interview, all right? But
I appreciate you explaining it to him.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
So,
Sergeant McNulty, the problem was that folks are coming in here, they're coming in here to
and you don't want to upset other people.
No, that is not my intent. I told them, the ladies were scared when they saw the camera. I don't know why, but I told them, listen, I have no ill intent here. I'm working on a story.
Right.
I never heard of a criminal that records a crime. You know what I mean? His own crime.
Okay,
it doesn't make sense.
I understand that some people can get a little upset if they're getting upset.
I understand.
Right? So they've been very patient.
No, I understand.
All right?
Completely.
So if they don't want to, you could just...
No, that's fine. I'm not trying to interview anybody. I'm just doing documentary. Yeah.
If they don't want to, pursue any further interview.
Great.
Right? So
That's
do what you could.
okay.
All right?
The problem is, Sergeant, that there are folks
There is
that
no
are coming
problem.
in here seeking services from the department. They're on unemployment. They're trying to get off unemployment. They're doing job seeker services.
So why don't you wrap it up
insisting
here?
on filming people that are here in the lobby.
Yeah, well,
People are impeding their business. So, all right?
I'm not impeding anybody's. Nope, that's not
If
true.
people are coming in here and they're concerned, so that's the
Nobody was concerned.
Well, if people are, they
But
could be
that's
something. So just like I
fictional.
said, try to be as professional as you can.
I will be.
If they don't want to
I will
interview
be.
you, and if they're concerned,
I will leave here on my own time. Yes.
Please,
Okay. I will leave here on my own time.
all right?
Thank you.
The lobby's closing in 5 minutes.
But the lobby's closing for what reason? Do you have authorization to close the public lobby?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
So for what purpose are you closing the lobby for, sir? A public lobby? Because I would like. And what's your last name? First and last name?
My name is Mark.
Mark what?
I have a lot of pods. I have people with pods. I have also people contact.
What's your last name? What's your last name, Mark? I want to file a complaint against Mark. Can you give me your last name?
He's in charge. He's closing the lobby.
Yeah. So I want his last name though.
All right.
So can you give me your last name so I can file a complaint? You're a public employee, sir?
When you fill out an application.
Are you a public employee? I'm not a public employee. Do you guys just not get it through your brains?